मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा रेंज एंग्जाइटी है।
So we still have 73 kilometers range and 34% charge. Every time I talk about EV bike, one major question arises from everyone. What if battery is totally down? What will happen if it doesn't go towards the destination? I had same kind of range anxiety in me whenever I read about EV, whenever I thought about EV. But things changed when I purchased one. Recently, I purchased my Ultraviolet F77, and this video is about my kind of long ride that is from Pune, Malshesh back to Pune, and I really want to share my experience, what all things happened and did I had fun or not, what happened with the range, what happened with the stops, and how was total experience. That is what I want to tell you in this video. Let me take you back to the day when I did this ride. Just watch it and then I'll be speaking more.
Flashback.
Well, this is my first a little long ride on Ultraviolet. So all set. Battery is charged 100% and range is 265 kilometers for glide, 209 for combat, 186 for ballistic. So let's put this bike to test and go to Pune, Malshesh and Pune. So there will be a few charging points and now I'm heading to meeting point. Let's go. Jai Shri Ram. Now I have reached UV showroom and from here we are going to start. So there are few UV riders and there are few IC engine riders, and today is going to be a little test for me because I never rode this bike for this long, and destination which we have planned is almost 120 kilometers one side. So 240 kilometers. In between we will be taking breaks for charging, and I'm all excited. Weather looks really good today because there is no rains, it's little cloudy, very decently cold, and I hope same weather carries there because we will be able to fly drone if time permits. Also, let's speak to a few people and understand what are their expectations, especially from IC engine riders, because I myself have some expectation from today's ride. So let's speak to a few people who are going to ride with us, and they have brought their own bikes. Hello everyone.
Hi. Hello.
So what are your expectations today?
So we are just here to have a good time, a good ride, and hopefully, try out the F77 Super Street. No, I am personally an Ather owner, so I don't worry much about range. We get जो दिखाते हैं वो मिलता है, true range मिलता है हमको. So we don't worry much.
0.5 kilometers. Petrol bro, so it's
Petrol. क्या लगता है आज मिलेगा? पहुँच जाएंगे?
आराम से.
What about the EV?
Of course.
मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा रेंज एंग्जाइटी है, and we have decided some pit stop in between. So let's see how that turns out to be, and overall कितना मज़ा आता है. We'll see. Now let's see how this ride turns out to be. You watch this video till end, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video. So now let's hop on the bike and go.
The way that I ball, I should've played for the Big Ten when I touch stage, but they packed in. Got a pretty thing to make a back bend. Let me see it all through the glass lens.
We are now starting, and from here we are 4 UV riders. Rest all are other riders. I have been to Malshesh Ghat earlier as well, a few years back when I owned Himalayan. But that time I came from Mumbai and not from this side. This will be my first time to come to Malshesh Ghat from Pune. रास्ते में एक दो जगह पर थोड़ा ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा लगता है, और फिर उसके बाद में रोड्स आर रियली गुड आफ्टर राजगुरुनगर. So far it's really good. There is no difference between riding other bikes and EVs. But this is what I am feeling right now while riding Ultraviolet F77. So now we are about to reach Manchar.
Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner talking home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner like. Slide back when I win. Fade and pay the cost, but I rose so thick and thin. Battles in the sky.
This is Junnar, and here we have Shivneri, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj की जन्मभूमि. बहुत सेक्रेट प्लेस है ये सबके लिए. यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 20 किलोमीटर मार्शेष घाट आएगा.
Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now.
This is one of the most scenic route. Now that rains have started, in peak monsoon, this becomes heaven.
Yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the track, man, get it back, man, in the fast lane, with my feet up. Remember bad days, when no cash came, check the bag, man, see the re-up. Never bought me, always fresh, had to get it off the raps. Now I'm on a trip with my little ones. Keep it coming, we the best, I can never look a mess. I impressed and I watch the paper still come. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way.
Okay, so we have reached, and let's see how much battery do we have. So we still have 73 kilometers range and 34% charge. When I started it was 100%, and in between I was riding on Glide, Combat and Ballistic. So we have a charger here. So now let's go inside and eat something.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a bar today. Got lost in the.
As I'm riding, the acceleration is instant and addictive. That EV torque really kicks in when you twist the throttle. There is no lag, and there is no chance to think that this bike will not be as good as an IC engine bike. Honestly, I was surprised how stable and confident the F77 felt even at higher speeds, where the ballistic mode is really good. But as distance is more, it's good that I can conserve energy by going on combat mode and glide mode. It doesn't feel like it's a typical EV. Well, if you'll ask me about range anxiety, yes, when I started, I definitely had a range anxiety. I planned my ride very well, and F77 didn't disappoint me because I planned my stops, I planned my battery consumption, I planned modes in which I was riding, and as well as I also used my bike in ballistic, combat and glide mode. Even after pushing it a bit, there was plenty left in the battery. Well, and the best part, the riding community. Everyone had stories to tell, riding alongside fellow F77 owners and some other riders who were riding IC engine bikes. I am actually looking forward to such kind of a day where IC engine owners and EV owners coexist, and they definitely ride together, explore places together and enjoy their biking. At the end of the day, this is actually just a normal bike. So the thrill that IC engine bike is going to give you, same thrill you're going to get with the EV bike. Like you saw that it was a very smooth ride. We planned our stops very well. Then we took some time to charge our bikes when we were having breakfast, and then went ahead, enjoyed scenic view, and then came back. Well, while returning, we found EV space station and we did charging there. So what I understood from this overall thing, see, I get it. You might not get thrill what you get with IC engine about the exhaust note, then turning your gears, and there are few more things that you feel the bike. But I must tell you, if you ask me about performance, EVs also give same kind of performance. And that is what I am here to tell you, that if you plan your trip very well, number one, your range anxiety is going to go away. Then number two, if you want to enjoy your bike, definitely there are so many modes in this bike. You can actually ride fast and you can also manage in heavy traffic. It's convenient. It's really, really convenient. Third thing, that generally, you know, when I ride, you must have seen that many riders do this. They don't mix and match their CCs. Reason being, it's not differentiating between riders or bikes. It is majorly because a low CC bike might try to keep pace with a higher CC bike, and there might be mishaps. But I must tell you, today when I was riding with bikes who were around from 250cc to 400cc, this bike was literally equal to them. And we thoroughly enjoyed. We all were together, riding together and enjoying together. So this was a very good experience. Plan your trip very well. I am sure that you can ride your bike at the same time you can enjoy your ride. And I think that is what matters the most for any biker. Well, this is my take, and I hope you must have enjoyed this vlog, because I tried to ride and this was little challenging, to be very honest. If you consider ballistic mode, the kilometers decreases. So I had to plan my modes, I had to plan my stop to charge my vehicle. So everything was seamless. And yes, one more thing, infrastructure in India is not yet developed, but I must tell you it is developing. As this infrastructure is getting developed and this ecosystem is getting made, I am sure that this is not going to be a tough decision for you in near future. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed and I look forward for many more rides and well-planned rides, of course. If you are an Ultraviolet owner or an EV owner or any bike owner, please mention your views in comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them and interact with them. As you know that Pune becomes very, very beautiful in monsoons. Please let me know in comments any other places you want me to explore, because yes, I won't be able to take out my Hayabusa out, but surely I can take this bike or some more bikes out, and I love to explore nearby places. So please recommend me some places in comments, and see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.